Hello friends. Today I give small piece of advice regarding removal of private sector employee and the results in a private sector and private organizations. Removal of employee. I worked as a accountant in Moody Continental Tires around 16 years, and one day our manager asked me to give a self resignation, and I refused, and I asked the reasons, and he told that just we are removing the employees. And I asked why I am experienced, and according to seniority you remove the employees first, those who are juniors to me. And he has not given any proper reply, and I refused to submit my self resignation. After that, they issued a removal letter, and I refused to take that, and I filed a case in labor court, and I fight around 10 years, and given court has given in favor of my experience and asked me to replace reinstatement in my favor. The court has given, but unfortunately company has closed down, and that issue has not resolved, still pending with court. The truth is, delayed justice is denied justice. Tariq pe Tariq, Tariq pe Tariq. This film dialogue, I am remembering you, and only postponement through courts, time kills you, and the day never comes to you. Forget how many years you worked and you sacrificed for company. Simply understand and digest this. If they want to remove, they remove. You are the breadwinner of this for your family. It is not possible to you to fight years together. And labor court deals for child labor and women issues, and benefits like delivery, maternity leaves, etc. And ID Act, Industrial Dispute Act, I filed both acts combined. This also, ID Act also actions only unions also. Today in India, unions are very weak, and courts always favor to company side only. And Shops and Establishment Act works for child labor and timings and normal small issues for employees and commercial organizations, not for removal of any employee. And please understand, no meaning to struggle like filing a case and daily attending courts, monthly attending courts. It is a hectic and time consuming, and end of the day you don't get any result. For another job, try to join immediately another job. Don't waste your time, and yeah, it saves you, which is valuable for you. Otherwise, you don't survive. It is something like breaking your head on against wall. All the best and learn from this lesson. Advice for private sector jobs and employees. Termination of a well experienced employee like me. Ultimately, I have not achieved anything even though I win the case. Delay in justice is delay in denied justice. Reinstatement with back wages. It is not impossible if you ask for replacement or reinstatement also. It is not impossible. They don't keep you. Once they want to remove you, they remove you. I filed this case against Shops and Establishment Act 1962, Labor Laws and ID Act, Industrial Dispute Act 1947, removal of employee. First they put harassments and demotion and give very low key areas and unrelated work and put work pressure and workload on you. Go your go yourself from company. You yourself kick the go outside. You can't perform those duties which they give you. Please note this. Don't expect any results, overnight results in approaching the courts. Is not you don't achieve any kind of results, and if possible you put any legal advisor, take any legal advisor and settle the case. Hardly you will get a provident fund, gratuity, and 1 month or 2 month salaries, not more than this. If you approach court or not approach court, settle yourself as quickly as possible and join another company. Please note down this point. This is my personal experience. I am telling you, my children. I have spent more than 10 years. Result nothing. Result nothing. Please. Thank you very much.